Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to pin a group chat in Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, write good comments, and let's get started. So first we need to go to Messenger. After that we need to go to any group. And after that we need to find any message which you want to pin. Click and now click more and now click pin, and now this message is pinned. If you want to find and unpin this message, you must click again, more, and unpin. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone.